Good morning. Welcome back to another video. I don't know how to start this video because I have so much of backlog that I need to get that out first and then put this video out. But you know what? Let's start the video like this and I'll talk about the backlog later. I hope you can hear me. I mean, right now I'm on my way to the start of the time trial. Oh, somebody just said peace sign to me. Yeah, I got a bit late, had a bad stomach, but I'm ready to smash through the time trial. Got my aero helmet on, so... And yeah, no aero bars, just doing it in mock style. Doing my warm-up right now. And hopefully I make it in time for the start. I might not get the bib, but weather's amazing, winds are brutal. Perfect time trial kind of stuff. So, I did make it to the start line, but it's here. Everybody's on the opposite side. And it's fucking windy. Like, it's gonna be a super fast day out, but on the way back, so I think we'll start in the next 2 minutes. I've got my rest, did my warm-up. I'm not officially racing, but yeah, it's a time trial nonetheless. Should be fun. Fucking hell, that was fucking hard. I mean, I'm right now into the tailwind and you really don't feel shit. And on the headwind, I mean, just look at my face. I haven't been through something like this in a long time. I mean, and I haven't been in so much pain in a long time. I mean, my intervals so far have been like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. This is fucking 40 minutes of pain, you know. I mean, mind games, you know. Thankfully I had my headphones on, which gave me some groove to like carry on, but fuck dude, that is hard. Lots of work to do. I mean, I know my fitness is still just scratching the surface. There's a lot more to go, a lot more to achieve, and I'm totally looking forward to that. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to the finish line. I think Shaurya's there. I don't know my results will be counted because I didn't get the bib. But yeah, personal satisfaction. I'm always happy with that. So, that's basically the finish line. There's a huge turnout today, which looks pretty damn good. See the familiar faces. What's up? What's up? Good, Macha? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Monthly course. What's up,
bro?
You're on TV.
Hey, you made it!
Handlebar brag bros.
Oh!
Who else has handlebar brag? Everyone should have handlebar.
Everybody should have an handlebar.
Seriously, the
best thing ever, dude. So good. Is that
life before and life after.
I love the no saddlebag approach.
Oh.
you want to see a wedding? Do you want to see a wedding? We're all watching your wedding, Bhumi. That's my friend Bhumi. She's getting married to her best friend and partner Supreet, who I've known for the past 10 years, I think. Easy. Yeah, 10 years. Fuck. So cool seeing her. Yes, yes, yes.
If fucking don't Benny, don't do that. Fuck off, man. I'm not coming.
First thoughts?
Bad idea.
Not bad, dude, so far.
Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome to this week's vlog. I'll be climbing Nandi with Nikhil. It's his first time he's climbing Nandi.
Yeah.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, well.
So I think I'm doing the first full Nandi climb in a long time. I think 3 months back. And we drove down here and I'm going to do repeats. It's the first time you're climbing Nandi and you're going to do a repeat.
Yeah.
That's impressive. Beautiful weather. Very less traffic. Super nice.
Good morning. Welcome to another video. Welcome to the video. I don't know if I can. Good morning. Welcome to another video. Today, I'm gonna unbox this. The camera is moving. Anyways, I got this parcel 2 nights ago and I haven't really unboxed it, so it's from the Cobbled Climbs. It's this new online store in India, and they've sent me something. Let's check it out. So, Cobbled Climb basically is this pretty awesome store that has some pretty awesome brands that I like, brands that I could resonate with, and yeah. That's what it's basically sent me. So, socks. This is this brand called Attaquer, which means to attack in French. Be sure most of you folks outside India know about this brand. And I've got 2 jerseys. Jersey 1, Jersey 2. It's a very nice black packaging. Yeah, so got 2 jerseys. Jersey number 1. Which is it's pretty cool. It's their A1 line, which is their all-day endurance sort of range of jerseys. That's jersey 1. Jersey 2. This is my favorite color. This is very neat, olive green. I think it looks pretty dope, especially the black bike. Yeah, so got these 2 jerseys. Gonna get some bibs soon and nice black socks. I'm pretty impressed. I like this. So yeah, won't be wearing this now, but I will be wearing this over the weekend. But for now, let's head into the trail.